Follow the raw, real, and unfiltered story of building a cleaning business from the ground up. This is Reality Cleaning Biz Playbook. Learn the lessons, face the challenges, and see what it really takes to succeed. Here's your host, Sharon Tinberg, ready to take you behind the scenes.
Hi there. I'm here today to make an announcement or two. My first announcement is I'm going to do a podcast. Yep, another podcast. Why? Well, the why is pretty much intertwined into some ironies and some absurdities and some really good reasons for me to start a podcast. The second announcement is I'm going to start a cleaning service. And the two of them are going to go hand in hand together. The irony of the whole thing is, and again, this goes hand in hand, when I left my company 18 years ago, and we toasted that evening to my divorce, we also toasted to me saying, if I ever start another cleaning service, just shoot me. I guess I said that because it was so successful. It was just such a difficult thing to run. And I do like money, so there's always that. The other irony is about 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago when another podcast was announced, I wrote one of my industry friends and said, oh my God, if I ever start a podcast, just shoot me. So I would say at this point in my life, it calls for a double-barreled shotgun, and I'm very glad I live in Texas. So why am I doing this insanity? What's the reasoning behind this? What's logical? It's because I have written, produced, created an award-winning residential cleaning training program. I'm not making it up. It's not just for advertising's sake, something I put down saying it's certified, but it's my certification. This is award-winning. I won an award on this at the ISSA convention, and I had a fight to be able to even apply. It's an extremely good training program. It takes what normally takes 3 to 4 weeks to train somebody in the field to perfectly clean a home, and then even at the end of that, it's not perfect, into 3 or 4 days to teach somebody how to perfectly clean a home. And at the end of those 3 or 4 days, that home cleaning is perfect because of the strategic steps. When I tell people about this, they don't believe me. I should be shocked, but skepticism is not new to me. When I first came to this industry as a consultant, my platform was sales. I was all about marketing. And I'm still, by the way, a good marketer. Anyway, I hope so, because I'm going to have to sell this repeat cleaning service. But my key then was, don't waste your time going in the home, sell them on the phone. I have to say, I generated $1.98 million back then when companies were fighting to get $200,000-$300,000 in the door. Seriously, their goal was 500. And they were all bidding in the home and telling me that selling on the phone doesn't work. Well, today, everybody's selling on the phone or online. Very little in-home quotes. The same thing has to happen with cleaning training. This paradigm shift has got to happen where people stop training, shadowing cleaners and start shadowing somebody who's cleaning that home perfectly. My model is also different. I'm going to use this venue to share my model and how it works. I've been touting this for years, and somehow or other, I feel we've lost sight of the easiest way to make a living, and certainly the best way to get the biggest amount of money for your business when you sell it. And that's, of course, the end I'm at, and many of you are getting close to, is the repeat client base. I'm going to have a model that's based on that. I am not going to do a first time in deep clean charge. I'm not going to do a first time in deep clean. My slogan for clean, smart home cleaning is Smart solutions for the long-term care of your home. Totally different. I will explain how I came up with that name and how I am going to sell this to my public, of course, at one of my podcasts, one of the first ones where I cover my model. I would like to say that this podcast, I think, will be fun. It will give you new experiences. I am only going to have this company for about 2 years. The main reason, well, the second main reason, actually, styling is the main reason. I'm doing the Clean Smart home cleaning is because I can't find any cleaners to clean my home. And to be perfectly honest with you, my home's a mess. I've got dirt in the corners and I don't have cobwebs. Well, yeah, I might have some cobwebs. Who knows? I hate cleaning homes. That is why I am so good at selling my service. I think it is a waste of time. I think it's a waste of energy. Go to a gym and make more money. But cleaning homes is not my forte, and my home shows that. In the last 18 years, it's only been cleaned when necessary. When I know I'm having owners come to visit my home, if I'm having company, they don't see it. But if I'm having owners come, I would hire my friend to do it. So my home needs some love and attention, and I can't find anybody who wants to come out here, none of the larger companies, and I'm not going to use an individual because I really do practice what I preach, and I do not trust an individual, which is really what Home Aglow is all about. So I'm not going there. So join me on this journey as I document the ups and downs and everything in between in building a smart cleaning service. Whether you're an owner, an industry professional, or somebody who just loves an underdog story, this podcast could be for you. See you next time.